Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix Fortnite voice chat not working on Xbox. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Our first solution consists of 3 steps. Before we move on to our steps, we make sure that our headset is connected to our console. Our first step is to turn on the headset mic. To do this, we press the guide button. Then we click on Audio and Music. We toggle the headset mic on. Also, we make sure that the mic monitoring level is high. Our second step is to check the voice options. To do this, we open Fortnite. Then click on Menu button. Then we come to the voice chat section. We set the voice chat to everybody. After doing this, we raise the voice volume. You can make voice method open mic instead of push to talk. We also make sure we are on the right channel. If we are not playing with our friends, we need to set the preferred channel to game. We also need to not be connected to the Xbox party, because if we are connected to the voice channel on both Fortnite and Xbox, we may have a problem here. For our third step, we're closing Fortnite. Then we go to Settings. We click on Volume and Audio Output. Click on Additional Options. Then we set the party chat output to headset and speakers. This was our first solution. If your problem is not solved, we will move on to our second solution. Our second solution is to change our DNS server. The reason I included this solution in this video is because Epic Games recommended it. To do this, we click on Network Settings. Click on Advanced Settings. Then click on DNS Settings. Click on Manual. After doing this, we set the primary DNS like this, as Epic Games recommends. After doing this, we set the secondary DNS as recommended. We changed our DNS server. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this video fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.